It's on them.
Alright. Don't say that, that policeman behind you. He's not our force. Trailers for sale, Mike.
Maybe. Maybe.
I'm building a four-wheeler.
Right.
So, does any club member wants it?
Beautiful condition.
What's that?
The Smith.
We've done more to it since the first rally.
Right.
I didn't manage to get to the last rally, you only saw the family there. I didn't have the toolkit, didn't have the spare, and there were quite a few things like the photographs I didn't have. And a second, the concourse. That was the year before last.
Right.
But I've got all the kit with me this time.
Beautiful.
I just can't get two 8mm metric stainless steel wing nuts. Right. That's what I want. I want a stainless steel and put the spare on.
Right, stainless steel, yeah, great.
No, I've got stainless steel washers and split washers.
Right, but not
just
the
wing nuts. And the only place you can get them is from a assembly.
Right. Oh, for boats, yeah.
So, no, I'm very pleased with it.
Excellent.
When are you doing that?
I was frightened after spending £9,000 on restoration. I was frightened because every time I took it out something happened. Then it bloody seized. I didn't appreciate that, put the bedding in of an alloy piston in a steel barrel.
Right. I
had guidance of club members. Look, as soon as it does that, dip the cut, switch off.
Yeah.
Let it go.
And away you go again.
400 miles down the road.
Yeah. Great.
Every nut and bolt, everything's been done on it.
Superb.
And you know, I've got club members to thank. It's a great club. Nope, sorry. No. Roll out. Okay. But, you see these? First pair of motorcycle goggles my force issued me with. Yeah. Let's see. Hammerite black, found in a cow's pen.
Cool. It's wonderful what can be done, isn't it, with a bit of time, effort and money.
A heck of a lot of money, because I'm a hammer and chisel merchant.
This is a nice trailer.
That's for sale. I'm building a four-wheeler.
Are you? Yes.
I don't know whether it'll be as good as that for tipping back mine, and you'll see how easy it is to get off.
Oh yeah, I've seen them.
Daniel!
Rushing around in
Sorry, you're
Germany.
shouting across your